Respected principal, honorable teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I stand before you to speak on a topic that holds the key to all success, foundation of all progress, and the light of all civilizations. Knowledge is a treasure. Dear audience, since the beginning of time, humans have searched for treasure, just like wealth, gold, and power. But the greatest treasure of all does not lie in banks or buried under the earth. It lies in the mind. The treasure is called knowledge. Dear friends, knowledge cannot be stolen. It cannot be destroyed. When you share knowledge, it multiplies. More you give, more it grows. Knowledge is the light that removes the darkness of ignorance and the key that opens the door of opportunity. Dear friends, knowledge transforms ordinary people into leaders and nations into powers. It was knowledge that helped Newton to discover gravity, Edison to invent light bulb, Ibn Sina discovered magnetism, Al-Khwarizmi invented algebra, and Einstein unlocked the mysteries of universe. Knowledge without character is useless. Knowledge with values is the real treasure. Knowledge is a treasure that illuminates our mind and soul. It's a treasure that we carry with us wherever we go, and it never loses its values. Respected principal, gold may fade, beauty may disappear, and power may end, but knowledge stays forever. It builds the world, it frees heart. It turns each end into stars. With every book, with every thought, new dreams and wonders can be sought. Knowledge is a treasure that shows the way. Knowledge is a treasure that shows the way. Knowledge is a power that takes ahead. Now I would like to take leave. Thank you all.
Teachers, honorable judges, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to speak on a very powerful topic. Union is strength. Union means standing together, helping each other, and moving forward as one team. When we stay united, we become strong, like a mountain. But when we get divided, we become weak, like a sand scattered by the wind. Let me share a small example. Think about a football team. If every player wants to show off his own skills and does not possess the ball, can that team ever win? Of course not. But when every player passes the ball and play for the team, the victory becomes easy. That's the power of unity. The same happens in our real life. In a school where student helps everyone in studies, the whole class improves. In a family when everyone helps each other, the house becomes peaceful and happy. In a country when everyone stands united, rich and poor, young and old, no enemy can harm their nation. History also teaches this truth. When scientists work together, they change the world with their inventions. Unity creates strength, progress, and peace, while division creates failure, fear, and weakness. Union is not the gathering of bodies, it is the meeting of minds, hearts, and convictions. A belief that collective good outweighs. Individual ego. When unity is rooted in sincerity, its impact becomes unstoppable. As Helen Keller beautifully said, alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. Unity builds confidence and turns challenges into stepping stones. True unity does not crumble under pressure. It becomes stronger. It thrives through differences because it understands that diversity is not the weakness. It is the source of collective brilliance. So let us pledge today that we will choose unity over conflict, cooperation over competition, and teamwork over isolation. Let us become the generation that understand that real power does not lie in dominating others, but in joining hands, lifting each other, and moving forward together. In the end, remember this: a single thread may snap. A single thread may snap, but a woven fabric lasts forever. A single voice may tremble, but a united chorus shakes the world. Truly, union is not just a power, it is a progress, it is a protection, it is a purpose. Thank you.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Respected principal, honorable judges, worthy teachers, and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. Today, I stand before you to speak on a timeless truth. Knowledge is treasure. Indeed, is a treasure far more valuable than gold or silver, because wealth can be stolen or spent, but knowledge only grows the more when it is shared. Dear fellows, from the very beginning of human civilization, the knowledge has been the force that shaped our destiny. It was knowledge that lifted mankind from ignorance to understanding, from darkness to light, and from caves to computers. Our holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim. Whoever goes out seeking knowledge is in the way of Allah until he returns. Without knowledge, a man would have remained a mere creature of instinct. But with knowledge, he became a creator, a thinker, and an informer." Truly speaking, knowledge is not simply the gathering of facts and figures, but it is the wisdom to apply them all rightly. A person may possess wealth and power, but without knowledge, he remains like a ship without compass, drifting aimlessly in the sea of life of others. Historically, nations that valued knowledge rose to greatness, while those who neglected it faded into oblivion. The glory of the Islamic Golden Age, for example, was built upon the pursuit of learning. Scholars like Ibn Sina, Al-Khwarizmi, and Al-Baruni transformed the world through their intellect. Similarly, in modern times, countries like Japan and South Korea was once destroyed by war, rose again through the power of knowledge and education. Dear audience, knowledge empowers us in countless ways. It refines our character, strengthens our faith, and broadens our vision. It teaches us to question, to reason, and to differentiate between right and wrong. Moreover, it is through knowledge that we learn to live peacefully and harmoniously in a society. The more we learn, the more humble we become. For knowledge opens the door of understanding and tolerance. Furthermore, knowledge is a treasure that can never be exhausted. When you use it, it grows. When you share it, it multiplies. And when you protect it, it preserves your honor. A wise person once said, "An investment in the knowledge pays the best interest." Therefore, if we truly desire to become the builders of tomorrow, we must seek knowledge passionately and spread it generously. In the end, I would like to conclude that knowledge is indeed the greatest treasure of all. It enlightens our mind, enriches our soul, and empowers our future. Let us, therefore, promise ourselves today that we will never stop learning, never stop growing, and never stop sharing the light of knowledge, because in the end, riches may perish, but knowledge will forever shine. At the end, I would like to end my speech with our national poet's Iqbal poetic lines. मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया तो समुंदर तलाश कर. Thank you.
You and all the universe. Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I stand before you to speak on a topic that is more valuable than gold and more powerful than wealth. Knowledge. Truly, knowledge is a treasure that no one can steal, and that grows every time we share it. There are some people only who understand how important knowledge is. While every educated person may not be intelligent, it is true that every qualified person has an education. It may seem like a strange statement, but it is true. When you have the treasure of knowledge, you can drive a car or even fly an aeroplane. Similarly, you can crack puzzles or riddles with knowledge. Therefore, it allows you to do the little as well as big things. When you have the knowledge, you can stop yourself from falling into the same trap.
Also, you cannot buy knowledge. It is very essential to note this in this essay on knowledge is power. It's a treasure that cannot be bought. You gain it and you earn it with your hard work. Therefore, the real gem is that of knowledge that will make you a successful person in life and help you gain power and respect. Knowledge is like a bottomless ocean. The more you dive deep into it, the deeper it will appear to you. Thus, there are no limits in the world of knowledge. When you desire knowledge, you thirst for riches unknown. Once you taste the nectar of knowledge,